Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever time of day you are watching. Thank you for joining me. Well, this is day 6 and getting ever so close to finally finishing this project. If you noticed in yesterday's video, the passenger side mirror was already wrapped, and I did not show you how I struggled with it. Oh, and if you're watching this in the future, when I say yesterday, I mean the day before this video was posted, not the day from yesterday, today, that you're currently in. Never mind. Anyways, I know I didn't show the passenger mirror getting wrapped, but at least I'm showing you this one, so be happy about it, okay? Now, if this looks easy or it looks difficult, whichever, that's because I don't know what I'm doing. So, if you wanted a tutorial, this isn't it. I did this multiple times and more than a couple different ways. But just like the rear bumper, I couldn't figure it out. And as you could tell from the look of defeat and anger in my eyes, I no longer want to do this. So I decided to just take the mirror off completely and just wrap this door instead. Since I've already shown you all the other doors, we can just skip this one.
Many unbearable hours later.
And just like that, the mirror and door is done. Well, mostly done. Don't worry, it will be done. See? Told you. Last thing to do is putting the window back in, which gives me tons of anxiety, and I'm sure you understand why.